Today I'm going to show you how to create text slider in Wix website. So first things first, go to editor, and once you're in editor mode, go to add elements, go to text, and follow up by paragraph. And if you scroll down, you're going to see impressive text slider. Go ahead and add to the site. And another window will pop up, and go ahead and agree. And once you're here, you want to stretch the video, go ahead and click stretch, and go ahead and click stretch to full screen. And here at the settings mode, you can change everything: the background, the animation, the template, everything. So once you're done with the changes you made, go ahead and click save. And then let's hit preview to see how it looks. If this video helped you out, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.